We offer 20 varieties of angel wing begonia. They vary widely in the look of foliage and flower. Your customers will love the long bloom and wonderful foliage of this plant, also known as cane begonia, spotted begonia, and dragonwing, which is a hybrid of Begonia acontifolia and B. coccinea lucerna, first bred in 1926 by Eva Kenworthy Gray. We recommend ordering your angel wing begonias in the summer to arrive in the fall, so you can sell in the spring. These slow growers will wow your customer if given enough time to grow. Our angel wing rooted liners arrive ready to be transplanted into your final containers. Follow the tips in this short guide on angel wing begonia care to successfully finish and sell your starter plants. Plant 1 rooted plug per 4-inch or 1-gallon container, or 3 plugs per 2-gallon container. Use well-drained soil and plant your plugs in the middle of your container. Angel wing begonia makes a lovely hanging basket or floor pot for indoors or outdoors in warm climates. Space containers for sufficient airflow. Pinch your starter plants a week or 2 after transplanting, and then additionally as needed to shape them for your final application. Deadhead flowers once the blooming season is started to encourage continued blooming. Proper pinching typically controls growth for angel wing begonia. If you need chemical growth regulators, these plants respond well to 3 to 5 parts per million Bonzi spray. These plants can grow 1 to 5 feet, depending on environment and variety. In most climates, these evergreen and nearly ever-bearing plants are kept indoors. Maintain a daytime temperature of 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and a nighttime temperature of 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not allow the temperature to drop below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. These plants require short days. Long days will delay bloom by up to 4 weeks. For best results, use 100 parts per million N fertilizer constant feed and 1.2 to 1.5 EC, and maintain a pH of 5.4 to 6.0. Once the plugs have begun to root out, switch to 200 parts per million N fertilizer once a week. You may see aphids and mealybugs with angel wing begonias. Powdery mildew, root rot, stem rot, and botrytis may affect your plants. Angel wing begonias are less susceptible than other begonias to these fungal diseases, and you can take these simple steps to prevent them. Encourage customers to place plants in bright, indirect light. Deadhead flowers for continuous blooming. Prune the canes to create a bushier habit and to keep the plant from looking wild. Planting in a container that will allow the plant to be slightly pot-bound can help prevent too much moisture around the roots, which could lead to root rot.